Am I gonna narrate? It's just his first video. Yeah,
You can do his belly button like that?
yeah, that's what you said. Okay. Okay, yeah.
He's doing pretty good.
Yeah. Unlike his big sister who screamed the first time.
I know.
You're doing really good, little buddy.
He's doing really good.
Good, maybe this will calm him down then.
He's just like, what the hell's going on?
Yeah, alright, buddy. Let's grab that. Shh. Let me put this on you. Okay, let's put that on you so you're nice and warm. You're doing so good, little buddy. Yeah, you're doing it.
I'd almost say he enjoys it.
Looks like he's has a big bald spot, babe. Okay. We gotta get that milk now. Yeah, because you got milkies on that nap.